Hey people, what you can hear here is the sound of a failed harmonic balancer. The rubber inside this has failed and the balancer does need to be replaced. It's quite a simple job. First just begin by removing the tension off the serpentine belt so you can get the belter out of the way. This is an older model car, there's heaps of room and heaps of access, but this process is similar for most cars. I want to remove the radiator fan out of the way just so I have a little bit more access. This has a couple of bolts on each side, an electrical connector, and then the whole fan assembly can be moved out of the way. Now with all that removed, it's quite easy to see the harmonic balancer, and we can see here what's going on. You're going to need to remove that center bolt that secures the harmonic balancer to the crankshaft. It's going to need a bit of work. They're often really quite tight. You're going to need a decent impact wrench to be able to get that off. Also, this particular harmonic balancer won't just slide off easily off the crankshaft. I will have to install a puller to actually pull that harmonic balancer off. This is just a generic one. The jaws will just clip over the back of the puller, and that's just a matter of using it correctly to withdraw that harmonic balancer off the crankshaft. I actually enjoy using these pullers. I like this process, it never seems to get old for me. And as you're using that puller, you will feel it get to a point where there's no more resistance and that the harmonic balancer is now loose on the crankshaft. At that point, get the puller out of the way, take the bolt out of the rest of the way, and you can remove the harmonic balancer. Now the next steps were I replaced the seal behind this harmonic balancer. It's often just called the front engine seal, and put in a new harmonic balancer, tightened it all back up, put everything back together, and we're good to go. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of my other videos.